actually, because, I mean, I've been really busy lately, and I've been getting back from school, and my mom took the computer away from me. But I'm doing better, so I get the computer back, which means I get to see you guys! Which makes me so happy! Yeah, today's Monday, and I have no school today because of in-service day, which means that the teachers go to school, but the students don't, which I'm very happy about. If I was available today, I would have gone babysitting for my neighbor, but I wasn't here yesterday, so, yeah, that means I won't get paid any money. I love you guys so much. You guys are my favorite beavers. Justin Bieber. I make myself laugh. That's how funny I am. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, I'm so funny. Obviously because I am Cameron Chipmunk. Guys, this is probably one of my shortest videos ever, but I'm gonna cry out. Get ready. I gotta leave. I promised myself I wouldn't cry, but it's so hard to not cry because I gotta leave you guys. Okay, I gotta go now. I'm gonna miss you! Okay, that just made my crying really awkward. Well, I guess I'm gonna go now. Hey, Jesus. You'll be glad you did. Oh, I miss you guys already.